In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively clean up your email list using ConvertKit. Managing your subscribers to ensure your communications reach those who are most engaged can lead to a more streamlined and efficient operation. Not only does a well-maintained list help with organization, but it can also enhance your email deliverability rates and boost overall engagement. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to begin by logging into your ConvertKit account. It's important to have access to your dashboard because that's where all the functionality lies, whether you're on a desktop or mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to gain full access to the suite of tools that ConvertKit offers for managing your subscriber list efficiently. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu bar. Here, you'll need to click on the Grow section and then select Subscribers. This will take you to a part of the platform that showcases everyone who has signed up for your mailing list. It's essentially the central hub for all your subscribers, a place where you can see each individual who has opted in to receive your content. With that page open, scan the top area where you'll find a tab labeled Segments. Click on this and you'll be presented with various options. The goal here is to choose Create a Segment. Segments are incredibly useful as they help you categorize your email list, enabling you to tailor content to specific groups more effectively. Right now, what we're aiming to do is isolate a particular group of individuals, namely the cold subscribers. For this new segment, you'll want to set the filter to identify cold subscribers. These are individuals who haven't engaged with your emails, either by opening or clicking over the past 90 days. Essentially, they represent an inactive portion of your audience who might no longer be interested in your content. By flagging these subscribers, you can better manage your audience interactions moving forward. Once the filter is applied, ConvertKit will generate a list of these inactive subscribers. This is where the platform really shines, as it isolates those contacts who could be affecting your engagement metrics. With this list in hand, it's time to make some decisions. You'll need to select all the cold subscribers from the list and look for the Bulk Actions button on the interface. Here, you get the choice of either deleting these subscribers outright or just unsubscribing them. If you prefer to keep their information without actually sending them emails, opting for unsubscribe is a more cautious strategy. This way, they aren't included in your active engagement metrics, but their data is still retained should you wish to reach out later. Finally, confirm your action. Whether you've decided to delete or merely unsubscribe, ensure your changes are confirmed to take effect. And there you have it. Your email list is now cleaned up to more accurately reflect your engaged audience. Maintaining a clean list not only benefits your engagements, but ensures your emails reach those genuinely interested in your content. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.